What up, guys? Okay, so I would have done this video long time ago, but the thing is, I was giving the person a bit of time. Now, you guys might not understand completely what's going on here. About 2 weeks ago, my long distance girlfriend, cheated on me with some other guy for like a week before ending the relationship with me. And so, I didn't say who it was yet, but now it is time to say it because this bitch thinks she's very fucking smart. I'm not sure when the fuck she posted this and I'm too lazy to check. But check it what Malarka posted last night. Life Survivor of 2026. Gamma, you guys know what you did. Fake friends slash relationships. Bitch, are you befucked? You're calling me a fake friend while you know yourself you cheated on me. You were for a week together with the other guy before breaking up with me and now you're calling me a fake friend. I would like to know, where in your life have you seen that happen? And YouTube and TikTok, let's be clear, she's 11. She's not even 12 yet. She's fucking 11. She's turning 12 in September. I'm not even sure how many of these swear words I'm going to be able to edit out. But all I'm saying is if you find this girl's TikTok page, please unfollow her. If you see this video and you know her, if you know this girl, please do me a favor and unfollow her, unlike all her videos, heck, report her to the fucking police if you want. I don't care. Just today was the last fucking day that bitch crossed paths with me. I don't want her in my life anymore. Please excuse my fucking pants. I have no other pants to wear right now. I am very much lazy. So if you see this bitch's account, please do me a favor. Unfollow her. Report her to the police. Do whatever you want. Just get her off of social media because she is a very much childish, cheating, drinking and smoking 11-year-old. There you have the whole story. She is 11. Keep in mind that. She is 11. Turning 12 this September. Yet she drank. She smokes. Till today she still drinks and smokes. And she's telling me now I'm a fake friend. After literally cheating on me. Good luck after this one. And also, Loki. If you had to cheat on me, did you have to go with this chopped ass motherfucker? Cause wow. No wonder the guy doesn't care that you cheated. Cause he's just as fucked up as you are.